Welcome back to Supremely Black Podcast. This is your host, D Rose. Now, it took me a while to even want to speak on these situations, but I just think it's important, and it got brought up a few times yesterday, just around family and friends, right? Um, Now, the recent issues in regards to Diddy, a lot of other black celebrities, right? Now, I'm not saying that they did or didn't do these allegations. I just think this is just important. Um, the Supreme Court in New York has stated that you have a New York Adult Survivors Act, right, which allows adult sexual assault survivors 1 year to sue regardless of when the original statute of limitations expired, right? With all of these cases coming up at the same time, you would kind of almost have to be a little foolish to think that all of them weren't being filed at the same time to protect themselves under this act, right? And again, reiterate, I'm not saying that these are people or the accusers really had anything happen or didn't have anything happen. I'm not here for that. We haven't provided any details. Now, I will say this. If this is just a money grab because these people are celebrities, I think that is a huge smack in the face to other individuals, men and women that have been truthfully assaulted and may not have had the courage to speak up, and the person that assaulted them isn't a millionaire to where it would make national news. And I talked about that, like I said, several times yesterday. I just think that if it's about the money, be about the money. But for the people that you know in your life that may not have the courage to speak up, I would encourage you to speak up. The people that are living with these type of things that have occurred to them, my prayers goes out to you and your family. I know for a fact that that's troubling, especially when you see things like this almost be made a mockery of in the name of money. So if it is a money grab, it's a huge smack in the face to people that have been truthfully assaulted. And my thoughts on it is that the money shouldn't matter. Why don't you want these people arrested and tried for them assaulting you? Why is it just lawsuits? I think that to me is what bothers me, and that's why it took me so long to even want to speak on it. People have reached out like, hey, speak on this. I've strayed the line because I do know some people that are very close to me in my life that have really went through these things, and it's not something that you would joke about, and it's damn sure something that they don't want to get paid for. If anything, they wish it just didn't happen from sick people that are predators in this world. So if you again have went through something like this, my prayers and thoughts goes out to you. For the people that have truthfully been assaulted, and for the ones that are money grab, I promise you, I hope that you lose sleep. I hope that everything turns out the worst in life for you for playing with something like that just in the name of money, and really putting this out there to defame someone's character, hoping that they just pay you out for quote unquote hush money. And as other people are truthfully being that are suffering out here for nothing. So let me know your thoughts. Am I too harsh with that? If not, long live CC. I'm out.